To connect Stripe to Kickoff Labs, start by creating a Stripe account if you don't already have one. This will provide you with the necessary credentials to integrate with Kickoff Labs. Once you have a Stripe account, navigate to the Stripe dashboard and click on Developers. Then select API Keys. You will see two types of API keys: publishable and secret. You will need the secret key to connect to Kickoff Labs. Copy the secret key and keep it secure as it grants access to your Stripe account. Next, log in to your Kickoff Labs account and navigate to the Settings or Integrations page. Click on Payment Gateways and select Stripe as your payment processor. You will be prompted to enter your Stripe API keys. Paste the secret key you copied earlier into the required field. After entering your API key, you may be asked to authorize the connection. Click Authorize to grant Kickoff Labs permission to access your Stripe account. Once authorized, your Stripe account will be connected to Kickoff Labs and you can start accepting payments through Stripe. Best practices for connecting Stripe to Kickoff Labs include keeping your API keys secure, using a secure connection when transmitting sensitive information, and regularly monitoring your account for any suspicious activity. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Stripe account to Kickoff Labs and start processing payments securely and efficiently.